Welcome to this tutorial on how to set a sell limit order on Uphold. A sell limit order is an instruction to sell a specific asset when it reaches a certain price, allowing you to potentially lock in profits or limit losses. To get started, first log into your Uphold account and navigate to the trading section. Once you are in the trading section, select the asset you want to sell and click on the Sell button. This will open a new window where you can enter your sell order details. To set a sell limit order, click on the Limit tab and enter the price at which you want to sell the asset. This price should be higher than the current market price if you want to lock in profits. Next, enter the amount of the asset you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount or a percentage of your total holdings. Make sure to review your order details carefully before submitting the order. It is also important to note that sell limit orders are not guaranteed to be executed, as the market price may not reach your specified limit price. To increase the chances of your order being executed, you can set a time in force parameter. This determines how long your order will remain active. You can choose from options such as good till cancelled, fill or kill, or immediate or cancel. Good till cancelled orders remain active until they are either executed or cancelled, while fill or kill orders are executed immediately and completely, or not at all. After setting your time in force parameter, review your order details again and click on the Submit button to place the order. Your sell limit order will now be active and will be executed when the market price reaches your specified limit price. It is essential to keep in mind that sell limit orders can be affected by market volatility and liquidity. In times of high volatility, your order may be executed at a price that is different from your specified limit price. To minimize potential losses, it is crucial to set a realistic limit price and to monitor your order regularly. In conclusion, setting a sell limit order on Uphold is a straightforward process that can help you manage your investments effectively. By following these steps and considering key factors such as market volatility and liquidity, you can make informed decisions and potentially achieve your investment goals.